Or bitapot. Yan na. Nanay nagkuan oh. Nanay mahupog ni ron. Dispiras pa ni ha. Kuan na. Na murag na kuan na. Nahubog na. Diara sila. Happy Fiesta! Oh, di ana. Ready na kayo oh. Unsa man ni? Unsa ni kuya? Kanang hinilisan.
Hinilisan keteng.
Oh, kuya wa jud ni ang mamistahay kay diretso na isabaw diretso. Oh, dapat mag-barbecue po si Madam Sarah. Og na pa basuyunon. Pila miya magkuan te nice jud te. Mo di sa posko te. Wow. Ha? Og di ana nagka hello Tennessee. Ani din pista sa kuan ba? Batuan. As in, grabe yung kinaunay gikan pa sa Dispiras te. The trailer of Ate Juanita and Kuya Timio. This is a brand new one and very convenient to stay. So, diba? Nice kayo siya. Mori ginyuhang sakinan, tino? Mori mo hila ni? Oh. So, ato ra siya ihila sa kuante. Ihila ra siya sa iyahang hinge. Oh, so very nice te. Unya na siya diri man mga hose ni ate, mga sa water storage. Oh, danay duha ka, nay windows. Diring dapita. Unya diri ay hang trailer. And let's go inside. Ito na lamok. Oh, there's a mosquito. Get ready. Oh, nice. But siya tika napod siya ka ng kuan screen. Na andam na dun isa para sa mga lamok te. Now, this is the stairs here. Ate. So this is the lighting. Pero taas ko oh. See? Very nice. And this one, ate, is the air condition.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Very nice. And they have cabinets here.
Watch out, it might have a surprise.
Oh, yeah. Oh, there's the Doritos and
mini pantry. And the
other one.
other side is our
Ano na pag-open te? Kasi makaguba ta. Oh, nice. So dili na nimo kuhaon ti ana na siya bilin.
yeah,
So kini duha ka bed ani te?
2 bunk beds.
2 bunk beds.
Yeah.
Oh, and this is the washroom te.
Yeah.
And this is the washroom here. Oh, very nice.
Yeah, you can open it.
Mm-hmm. Ano yun, pwede na. Oh, very nice.
Just a segment, baby.
Yeah. So, naa siya kuan pod.
Ikaw ka na sa.
Oh, so kanang kuan dai siya te kanang unsay nga ini? Censored. Oh,
Fun eh. Napindot mo
and
na
they can take shower also. Oh, very cute ang imong shower te.
Uh-huh.
Oh, nice.
And then this side.
Medicine cabinet. They have medicine cabinet. Oh, yes. They need,
And
you
this
need
is
it,
the
ate.
storage.
And another storage.
Yeah.
Wow, nice. I love it. What is that for?
For a heater. If
Oh.
you wanna go for bath.
Okay, that's for the heater control.
How do you call
And,
this one? The water pump.
oh, they have the function for the water pump.
Over here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Those are the control. High touch. And they have this, wow, cute microwave. Okay,
My food is
nice.
there.
Oh, very cute.
Now this is the-
Lutuan te.
Mhm.
Wow, gas siya te no.
Yeah, gas.
So ang gas niya ato ra sa gawas.
Yeah.
Ibutang.
Just outside.
Okay.
And
So
this is
ayan.
the front.
Oh, the hood. Oh, wow, very cute kaayo te.
And this is our storage for
And then-
our.
Oh yeah, storage for
Okay,
whatever.
this is it.
Pwede na butang mo divider na te para dagag masud te.
Yeah.
Oh,
We can do that too.
yeah. Organizer ba. And then the sink is very cute.
Yeah.
Wow, brand new kaayo. And then napud sila para sa kuan.
Coffee maker.
Coffee maker.
That's for tomorrow.
Oh my, yes. And this one, another kuan.
Yeah, just it's okay.
Oh, okay. Kuan na siya, magnetic te, no? Dagan kaya siya storage.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fridge is
Fridge.
double, ano man eh? Sorry pag, dera. Oh my God. Ignoy ko aning dapita. Oh, puno siya. Puno. Pwede ta diri og mangnungkab.
Yeah.
Giandam ni ate para siyang mga apo. Oy. Oh, kini sa freezer ni niya ni.
Freezer.
Oh, wow. Pero wala gyud mo mugahit eh.
Mapipag sir.
Oh, okay.
Just cut it from.
Mm.
And in the dinette, you can turn this one into
You can turn into bed also. Oh yeah, kung morning, you can eat here. So two people, right?
One person for bed, 4 person for dining.
Oh.
But kung magtiayon, you can fit too.
So, moong 7 kabuok. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
So actually this side, the
So this one can turn into bed also, te?
Yeah.
Oh.
This into bed.
Wow.
I'll show you.
Okay.
Kapit mo
Sige,
lang
te.
bed.
Sige, te. So ipang remove na siya. Oh, nice. Nice. Wow, first time. This is my first time to have a tour for a actual trailer gyud ba. Oh, so apil na ni te or ikaw ring palit na pugkaan eh.
Appeal na.
Oh, everything included already.
Included, but I upgraded to a nice mattress.
Okay. So the one that's included is not that nice. Okay.
Dili soft.
Adili soft.
Yeah.
Okay.
So,
Tinapay cabinet po na no.
that's
Like ini may kanang exhaust ni siya diri te.
fun.
Oh, fun. Oh.
The
Yan na.
storage.
Insakto dyan duha kasi nina. For 2 days camping.
And this is our,
Oh, dapat hagiranan po.
yeah.
Oh, bisan og winter day you can have a camping.
Yeah,
Nice.
because this is solar, so you
Yeah.
can go anywhere.
Wow. Solar na. So wa na siya mo gamit og kuryente sa kanang aning imuhang
You still
gas.
need because not cover for the solar. It
Oh.
is the 110.
Oh.
Kanang mga saksakan 110.
Oh, okay.
So the one that cover is the microwave and the air conditioner.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Also air condition din is no.
Are
Pero karon kay init so they can use air condition. Yeah, it's very cozy. Okay, thank you. Thank you, Ate Juanita,
You're welcome.
for welcoming me to your nice and cozy,
No problem.
brand new and trailer.
Not brand new anymore because
Not
it's already 3
used
weeks old.
used they at least still brand new kay brand new man yung gipalit.
Yeah.
Yeah, brand new. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.